Penny with Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at a watch that I think would make a perfect gift for Father's Day. This is a very special limited edition version of the Cartier Roadster. Only 150 pieces of this version were ever made, so if you are looking for something that you know no one else is going to be wearing, you need to check this one out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com. This is a beautiful burl wood dial, which is a very dark brown with these reddish undertones and a wood texture right on the dial, which match perfectly with these burl wood links. I love that it draws the wood into more places on the watch. It really makes it feel like a very warm piece. The bracelet and the case otherwise are made out of 18 karat white gold, which gives it a very heavy, robust, and luxurious feeling. The Cartier Roadster draws design elements from classic cars like these exposed screws and this hubcap crown. And I just think overall it just makes the watch feel so masculine and so kind of fatherly. The wood itself, I think, would also be perfect for a dad who loves woodworking or carpentry or even construction. And I just think in general it just makes the watch feel very warm. Overall, I think this watch would be a perfect Father's Day gift, and it's a very, very special piece. So if you are looking to get this for your father or maybe even get it for yourself, you need to check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com because we only have one.